back with another Ipsy unboxing, and it's actually more like unbagging. But I have two packages. This first one is from the Ipsy pop-up shop, and the second one is my glam bag for November. So I'm gonna open it, and now that it's open, this was actually the Healthy Skin Duo for $5. And my first product is by Biorace, and it's a pore purifying with tea tree and spirulina, and it's a clay mask that can clarify your skin, enhance your skin tone, and smooth out your skin. I also thought it was cool that it's made in Korea. But yeah, so it's actually a pretty good sized bottle. I think it was supposed to be deluxe samples, but it's pretty big to me. And the next part of this Healthy Skin Duo was a moisturizing cream by BELIF. And I've already used it, and it really does wonders for my face. I love this moisturizer a lot so far, and it's small, but it'll work out. And yeah, so now let me open up this, and inside I actually ordered 3 add-ons this month for $3 each. So this first one is by MOTD Cosmetics, and it's a Perfect 10 tapered brush. So I actually like how they packaged it because it really kept the brush intact. Sometimes during shipping the brushes like get folded or bent, but I like this, and this brush is super soft. It kind of reminded me of dog fur, but I hope it's not real. But yeah, this is like the biggest brush I've ever had, so I know I'm gonna enjoy this. The next product I'm going to be pulling out is by Item Beauty, and it's from Cheek Money, which is their bronzer and contour duo, and that actually cost $16, but I got this sample size that is $3, and it includes the shade Vibez, and Vibez is the contour shade of it. So I'm gonna just pull it out here. So the packaging is actually really pretty, but the thing is, I was actually very disappointed once I got to swatching this. You saw me struggle to open it, but so it looked like the perfect color, but once I swatched it on me, you can hardly see it. It took me forever to get it this dark. I usually like my contours to look darker and then I can blend it out, but this took forever. So it is very sheer. Unless you're willing to work with it, then I wouldn't get it. So my next add-on product that I also bought for another $3, it's very tiny, but it's the primer by It Cosmetics, Your Skin But Better. And I really got this because my face is so oily. I always have problems with my foundation staying on, but it says that this is for all day grip. And at first when I started looking at it, I was like, oh no, this is like tinted, but it's actually not. Whenever you spread it out, it turns clear. But I've used it for like every time I do makeup now, and it is so good for me. I've never had a better primer to keep my foundation on. I mean, there could be better, but for now I'm good with this. But now that I got my add-ons out of the way, let's get the November glam bag, what we've all been waiting for. So I'm gonna open this now. Don't think I can do it with one hand, but so it's actually really pretty. I didn't like it at first, but I ended up getting used to it to love it. So after struggling, I got the card for November out, and it has the saying, be present. So that was just basically saying be happy, be blessed, be thankful for the present. So I really like that because, you know, November, Thanksgiving. And so my first product that was picked for my glam bag is by Tarte Cosmetics, and it is their Shape Tape Concealer that like every big makeup artist loves for some reason. I mean, I tried it out so far and I enjoy it. It does not dry out on my face like every other concealer I've tried, but this sample is just so tiny. I wish I had more. So the full size costs $27 for 10 milliliters, and this little bottle is 0.5 milliliters. But this is how it looks. So I swatched it on me, and then I kind of just did this weird thing with my finger to try to blend it out. So after I finished blending, you can't see it because I'm zoomed in pretty close, and also I used my finger. But from afar, can you really tell? I don't really think so. But just from using it on my face, I really enjoy it so far. So next is my first bougie product by Tatcha. The Deep Cleanse, that's what it's called. Because the full size is $38 for 150 milliliters. So this little sample is 25 milliliters, so I guess not too bad for a sample. But why $38 for a face wash that I need to buy like monthly because I use it daily? So I don't really understand that, because I've tried it. I've been using it daily and I don't really notice anything that's too special. Like I just don't. And also I hate that bottle that it came in, because it's so hard to squeeze it, like using two hands. For some reason it's an absolutely hard bottle. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and it's kind of a little sticky, but obviously it's because I have no water on me to wash it. And so my next product is by the Beauty Crop, and it is their Stuck On You eye primer. So it's actually pretty cool because this is the full size of the eye primer. So I'm getting the full product that costs $16.50 in my $12 glam bag. Just had to say that in case anyone wanted to join. Use my link, it's in the captions. Okay, but I've already used this primer on me a couple times and I enjoy it more than the other primers I've tried. I've tried the e.l.f. Cosmetics Putty primer. Yeah, I think it was Putty. And I've tried it, didn't really like it because it kind of dried out. I don't know why. And then I've tried the Milani eye primer, and that one was just too sheer and ended up like not even being there. But this one, it has really good, like it's blendable, which I enjoyed. It also kind of matches my skin tone, I guess. But yeah, I kept my eyeshadows on good. The only problem I had with it is that it did crease up. But if you have eyeshadows on, you can't really tell. But if you wear it alone, you will. So just be aware. And speaking about full-size products, this next one is by TRÈSTIQUE, and it is their eye pencil in the shade Santorini Black Sand. And this full-size product costs $19. Another reason why you should sign up for Ipsy, because I don't know how I'm getting this in my $12 glam bag. But this, I believe it said it was a 2-in-1. No, I think it was a 3-in-1. Yeah, 3-in-1. So it has the eyeliner, it has a sharpener, and it has a smudger. So after I get this open, so I thought it was gonna fall out, but turns out I pull it out, and I was kind of weirded out at first because I thought this was the pencil, and I was like, why didn't they give me a cap? And I didn't even realize that I never even used it for the video. Yeah, I didn't use it, but I ended up opening it and I found out that this is the eyeliner inside, so I was like, oh. And it also took me a while to figure out where the other parts of the eyeliner was, but I used it so far as my eyeliners. I've smudged it too with the smudger, and it is so pretty. It's dark, it has a great black color, and whoop, that kind of flew, but this is a smudger. The smudger works well. I use that to kind of blend it on my eye and give me a smoky eyeliner look. So really enjoyed that. Haven't used a sharpener yet though, but it won't be a while until I need that, right? But here's the sharpener. You kind of just pop it off, and yeah, that's what it is. And I created a mess here, so cleaned it up. And so my last product is another one by Item Beauty. and it is a lid glaze. So it's a hydrating jelly eyeshadow in the shade Lunar Drop. And this one is 5 grams, while the full-size product is 10.5 grams for $14. Now that I got it open, I'm just going to squeeze it onto my hand so you can see what it looks like. And so it comes out in these little streaks, but then you can just blend it out with a brush, and this time I just used my finger, but it looks really pretty and shiny. It can either be used as a topper or as a standalone. And so these are the 10 products I received from Ipsy in the month of November. And also the inside of the glam bag is this pretty coral color that matches the zipper. And overall, I'd give this glam bag an 8 out of 10, including the flaws and the things I liked of each and every product. Thank you for watching, and if you ever want to subscribe to Ipsy, make sure to use my link that is in the caption. And make sure to subscribe to me. Bye!